So Nimal, Open RAN has been a major topic this year at the Congress, and I wanted to get your perspective on the security implications of going from a single vendor RAN implementation to a multi-vendor RAN implementation. Before we get into that though, just big picture, is Open RAN secure?
Absolutely, Open RAN is secure, but there's an argument in the industry saying when system is complex, it's automatically become insecure. But that's not true. Actually, when these systems was there, many other similar systems in the past for many long years, we have been taking care of security from A to Z, meaning from architecture stage to design, implementation, development, and all the way to the operations. So security is scrutinized, verified, tested on every stage of software development life cycle. As long as we do that same process, a proven process all along from A to Z, and security can be minimized, the risk can be minimized, so the systems becomes insecure.
So for an operator that is either actively deploying or considering deployment of Open RAN, so what are some of the big picture things they need to keep in mind as it relates to security of that network?
Absolutely. So something they could do is there are various steps the operators can take. One of the very important parts of the thing is to do is they need to work effectively, collaboratively with their device vendors, software developers, so they can come up with a very innovative secure solutions to secure the networks. And secondly, they also need to make sure that the systems is built through the system security is built into the design and comply with security standards. And also, they need to make sure that authentication, authorization, accounting, encryption, they should be in place throughout the network. And there are many other steps they can take, but one of the other things they need to make sure the network should be segmented, employees should be trained, and the whole network should be monitored 24/7 basis so they could discover security threats and of course work along with the required controls to bring the risk level down.
So in terms of how Fujitsu engages with its mobile network operator customers and your other technology partners, how do you ensure that security stays baked in end-to-end in any network that you're working on?
So, like I said previously, just making sure the controls are built in, making sure you're compliant to standards. Then not only that we're doing from A to Z, but also we need to assess through security assessments, call third-party auditors, assess the network to make sure that security was implemented, addressed in every stage of software development lifecycle.
Well, Nimal, I really appreciate you taking the time to walk me and our audience through how Fujitsu is working on Open RAN security.
Absolutely. You're welcome.